Oh blimey. Trying to do a cinematic and I break a tap. Let's get back to the video. So we have picked up where we left off in last week's video. We have fitted the bump stops. You saw how easy that was. Is it the right way of doing it? Probably not, but is it the most easy and straightforward? Yes. I was lazy, I didn't take anything off the bike, but if it works, it works. You might think, oh, it looks horrible, there's nuts and bolts, but you gotta remember, when it gets all powder coated, that'll all be covered and it will look like one piece. So, let's move on. Something little and simple came through the post today, and that is foot pegs. Why? Because these foot pegs are bloody disgusting. They don't even match my gear lever. They're a big, chunky, rubber, horrible, nasty little, or should I say nasty, big, chunky foot pegs. If you look at them next to each other, this looks a lot nicer and it matches the gear linkage. So these should look quite a lot nicer. What I'm going to do is chop off where the foot peg starts, grind it down so it's got a flat bottom so it slides in between here, drill a hole, put a nut and bolt through, we have foot pegs. Very simple. It wasn't on the list, it's something that what I did actually forget on the list, but we're going to do it today anyway. So as I say, cut off, flatten off, bolt on, should look a lot nicer. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, that wasn't expected. I've literally just broke the vise. Wow. So I managed to break the vise and the foot peg. I didn't think they'd be that brittle. They're only cheap though, so I'm going to order another set. We are going to get this done. As you can see, this ended up being hollow. I didn't expect this to be hollow. I was expecting it to be solid and I'd be able to just grind down the flats for them to slip on, but no, hollow, hence why I had to crush them. Saying that, we've got a new vise. We're gonna finish off this side, get it put on the bike, and we'll just see how it looks. Shit! Shit! Mate, why would you put wire wool next to somewhere like that? Oh man. Woo. Health and safety, kids. So after everything that seems to be going wrong today, I mean, breaking the vise, breaking the foot peg, almost setting the place on fire. Yeah, I'm not doing very well. But saying that, we've got them on. This one is still broken. As I say, I've bought the replacement, but we will get that replaced as soon as it comes. I am tempted, when I do get everything powder coated for the bike, I might actually get these powder coated too as well. Well, let me know what you think down below. Do you reckon I should get these powder coated black, or do I just leave them as they are? This obviously is still going to get powder coated, so let me know in the comments down below. So what we need to do now is get the kickstand fitted, get this bolted back onto the bike, and we can actually see if they suit the bike or not. I think they will, but let's just crack on and get them fitted. Oh dear. Oh. I think I've broke my microphone. I was trying to end this on a good note, but I've just broke my microphone just fully on, just smashed it off the floor. As I was saying, we've managed to, it's only a little job we've done today, we've fitted foot pegs, but I want to end this on a nice note for you. Basically, I was contacted by a friend of mine on my social media, saying that there is a kid, so there's a young lad who started a YouTube channel and got bullied for not having enough subscribers, which is stupid anyway. His name is Harley Lion, and he, to be fair, he has some quite funny content. He's a funny little lad, and basically I want to help him get the subscribers and get the numbers that he deserves, because any kid of his age doing YouTube and making videos deserves some respect and people to see his videos. So I'm gonna leave a link down below to his channel. I want you to go and subscribe, give him a thumbs up, tell him that I've sent you, and basically go and show your support. This community is a great community, and there is so many people out there that want to just help each other, and I want you to go and help him. So as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new, subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram is down below here. And as always, I shall see you in the next video.